These levels form what's known as the accumulation phase. For algorithms, these aren't just levels, they're liquidity zones, loaded with stop losses and limit orders, and that's what smart money hunts. Here's what usually happens. Price breaks below the recent low, grabs liquidity, then reverses and closes back above the level. That's your entry. Buy at the close of the candle that flips back above. Stop loss just below the sweep, and target the next major level. It's a sniper entry, timed perfectly with smart money. This is the execution play, but it's only part of the plan. Next, I'll show you how to do a quick top-down analysis to filter these setups, so you're not just trading any sweep, you're trading with directional bias and precision. Now, let me show you a real chart example using the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar 15-minute chart. First things first, let's set up our session indicator on TradingView. Go to the Indicators tab at the top of the screen, click the icon, then in the search bar, type Sessions. The one we're using is called Sessions by JRFX Addict. Go ahead and click that. Now, depending on your background color, you might not see the sessions clearly. If your chart has a black background like mine, let's fix that. Hover over the indicator name at the top of your chart, click the Settings icon, then go to the Style tab. Here's what I recommend. Uncheck New York Session to remove extra shading and keep your chart clean. Change the Asian session color to red, change the London session color to green, and that's it. Now you can clearly see where the Asian session ends and where the London session begins on your chart. Alright, now let's break down the strategy. This is the end of the Asian session and the London session opens in the next 15 minutes, at 8 o'clock AM London time. We start by marking the most recent high and low of the Asian range. Watch what happens once London opens. The market pushes below the recent low, sweeping liquidity, then quickly reverses and closes back above the level. That's a clear liquidity sweep. Exactly how institutional algorithms operate during the London session. They trap retail traders with a fake move, then take the real direction, the one they were planning all along. But now that you understand the game, you know exactly what to look for and how to respond. Before we take the trade, we always start with a top-down analysis. This strategy is executed on the 15-minute chart, but we use the 1-hour chart to confirm the trend. So let's jump to the hourly and remove the session indicator to get a clear view. As you can see, the market is in an uptrend, and price recently pulled back to a former resistance level that's now acting as support. And a strong bullish candle forms, signaling a possible continuation of the uptrend. So on the 1-hour chart, we're bullish, and that aligns perfectly with our